Good morning, students. Let's come back to our biology class. I know you are waiting for a new chapter. Yes, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, the absorption of water or absorption by root, the process involved. In this lesson, mainly we will discuss about the need of water and minerals for plants. Characteristics of root for absorbing water. Absorption and conduction of water and minerals. Osmosis, imbibition, diffusion, active transport, turgidity, fluidity, and experiment regarding osmosis as well as conduction of water through xylem. All these points we can discuss through this chapter. Before starting the topic, first you have to learn the meaning of term physiology. What is physiology means? Actually, this physiology is the term derived from a Greek word, that is, physics means nature or origin, logos means study. Actually, this is the meaning of physiology, study of nature or origin. Plant physiology means study of process occurring in plants, function of processes occurring in plant, how plant works. Means plant physiology is the branch of biology which deals with the life function or metabolism of the plant. It includes the functioning of cells, tissues, organs, organ system, and the organism as a whole. All these functional activities which take place in a plant body, we can study through this plant physiology. Next we can discuss importance of water in a plant body. Water is very important in the case of morphological and anatomical structure of plant. Okay, for maintaining morphological and anatomical structure, what is important? Water is important in a plant. It acts as a good solvent in a plant body, and it is one of the component of protoplasm. Next, absorbance and translocation, mineral salt and dissolved substances, all these take place through water only, or water only helps in the translocation of mineral salt and dissolved substances through it. It helps in photosynthesis, or it is the one of the important component of photosynthesis. Next, for seed germination, water is important. For respiration, water is important. For transpiration, activation of enzyme, hydrolysis of ATP. For all these cases, what is important? Water is important in a plant body. It maintains temperature of the plant body and also turgidity of the plant body. It also maintaining, or it give mechanical stiffness to the plant body. Okay. So for all these purpose, water plays an important role in a plant body. Is it clear? Next we can learn absorption of water. What is meant by water absorption? Uptake of water by plant is called as absorption of water. Means uptake of water by plant, especially root hairs only helping the absorption of water. Okay, root hairs will absorb water from the soil to all parts of the plant. That uptake of water by plant we can call as absorption of water. Plant absorb water from the soil through the root hairs. Already I told root hairs. What is root hairs? It is a hair-like structure present on the surface of roots, especially above the root caps. Okay, this root hairs only helps the absorption of water. Water is said to be the liquid gold of life because water plays an important role in the plant life. Okay, so we are calling it as a liquid gold of life. Plants are capable of absorbing water from the soil solution. So what are the water present in the soil? That water only plant can absorb. Mainly absorb capillary water. What is capillary water? The water present in the ground we are calling as the capillary water. Okay, this capillary water only plant can absorb. Plant also absorb dissolved nutrient along with water. What are the dissolved nutrients present in the water that also will move along with this absorbed water? Okay, site of water absorption. Water is mainly absorbed by root hairs. Okay, these are the root hairs present on the root surface. Okay, so by the help of root hairs only plant can absorb water. Root hairs located in a group just above the root cap. So this is the root cap. It is the protective structure of the root. Above this root cap, what is present? Root hairs are present. Okay, this area rich in root hairs is called root hair zone. Where the root hair area located in the root, that area we can call as root hair zone. Next we can discuss the structure of a typical root hair. Billions of root hairs present in the root system of a plant. When we observe a plant root, we can see billions of root hairs on its surface. Root hairs are tubular hair-like projection of the epidermal cells. Actually, these root hairs are tubular hair-like projection arising from the epidermal cell of the root. Each root hairs is single-celled. Actually, root hairs are a single-celled structure. It is made up of only one cell. Root hairs are 0.5 to 1.0 centimeter in length, 1.0 MUE in the diameter. This is the length and width of root hairs. Actually, it is the projection of epidermal cells of the root. Okay. Root hair is a modified epidermal cells. Already I told, from the epidermal region of the root only what is arising? Root hairs arising. Okay. The wall of root is permeable to water. It is made up of cellulose and pectin substance. This is the wall of root. Okay. Root consists of outermost cell wall. It is fully permeable in nature. So this root wall is made up of cellulose and pectin, and they have strong affinity with water. They are strongly hydrophilic in nature. Followed by the cell wall, there is a plasma membrane. Just inner to the cell wall, next part is plasma membrane or cell membrane. It encloses cytoplasm, nucleus and vacuole. Okay, just inner to the cell membrane, cytoplasm. It is the liquid portion of the cell. In the cytoplasm, nucleus and vacuole embedded. Vacuole is filled with cell sap whose water potential is more negative than soil solution. So inside the vacuole, what is present is cell sap is present. The major portion of cell sap is water, but the water concentration is less inside the cell sap comparing with the outside region of the cell. Okay, so automatically water can move from outside to inside. Next, other natures of root hairs are surface area of root is enormous. A root hair consists of large surface area. This large surface area enable the root hair to absorb more water. Next, root hairs containing cell sap of a higher concentration than that of the surrounding water. Already I told water concentration inside the cell sap of root hair is less comparing to the outside cell. Okay, so from outside cell water will move to the inside. Next, root hairs have thin walls. Like all plant cells, root hairs also have two outer layers, a cell wall and a cell membrane. The outer wall of the root hair we can call as cell wall, and inner wall we can call as the cell membrane. Okay, the cell wall is thin and permeable, fully permeable in nature. It allows the movement of water molecules and dissolved substances freely in and out of the cell. Already nature of cell wall is fully permeable in nature. It allows all the substances to enter inside the cells, as well as from inside it will allow to move outside. But in the case of cell membrane, it is semi-permeable in nature. It will not allow all the substances to enter inside the cell. Only selected substances can enter inside the cells. Is it clear? Next we can learn mechanism of water absorption, or how water movement take place from outside to inside the root. Okay, first root hairs will absorb water from where? From the soil particles. Soil particles water is present, so that water will absorbed by root hairs. Then that water will move through epidermis. This is the epidermal region, outermost region of that root. Okay, through the epidermis that water will enter in the cortex region. Okay, through cortex. Then from the cortex it will move to endodermis. Okay, from endodermis it will move to pericycle, then xylem, from xylem to upside of the plant body. Like this way only water can move. Once again listen, from root hairs, epidermal cell, cortex cell, endodermis cell, cells of pericycle, pericycle to xylem cells, xylem to xylem duct, from xylem duct to upward part of the plant body. Like this way water can transport.